The Nokia X7, the latest mid-range offering from HMD Global's Nokia, who have been doing great with their recent phone launches. The X7 is rumored to be launched in global markets soon as the 7.1 Plus or the 8.1. But as always, I didn't want you guys to wait for coverage on this, so I ended up importing one as soon as possible. So in today's video, let's unbox this X7 and take a quick look. But before we start, would you like to see this phone launch in India? If yes, what do you think should be the right pricing? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I will go through them and end up pinning one of your comments. Oh, and of course, we're also going to be giving this away. So stay tuned till the end of the video for more information on the giveaway. Hey guys, Ash here from C4eTech and let's get started. If you do end up liking this video, don't forget to turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. And as always, here is a card to our current giveaways. Check them out if you are into that sort of thing. So here's the box the Nokia X7 comes in. We've seen very similar packaging from HMD Global's Nokia in the past with other phones like the 6.1 Plus, X6, the X5 and all that. Opening up the box, we have the phone itself. Peeling the sticker off the back. Let's set the X7 aside for now. We then find the SIM ejector tool housed under a pull tab. Under that, we find the regular leaflets. We also have a transparent silicone case in the box. Nice. Opening up the smaller box on the left, we find the USB Type-C cable and the 18-watt fast charging adapter that HMD Global has included with the box, unlike certain other brands. Fast charger in the box. Sweet, right? Anyway, let's now take a closer look at the X7 itself. The exterior design reminds me of recent phones from Nokia. The X7 feels solid in hand, and this is thanks and large to that aluminum and magnesium frame. The back is still glass. The metal frame has a unique design with soft touch edges and a chamfered band in the middle. The back and the edges share the same color, which is another nice touch. Like all other glass back phones, the X7 also happens to be quite slippery and prone to fingerprints and smudges, but that's something we've come to expect, right? The glass design does give it a premium feel. We have the midnight blue variant here and it looks really good. To the back, we find the Nokia branding. The fingerprint scanner resides above that. This fingerprint scanner was quite fast and accurate in the time that we tested it out. And up top, we get the dual cameras in a vertical layout with a flash to the left. More on these cameras in a bit. Coming to the front, we find a notched 6.18-inch panel. This notch houses the front-facing camera, earpiece, and sensors. The display itself, it's IPS LCD. The resolution is Full HD+. The aspect ratio is 18.7:9, something we've only seen on Xiaomi's phones in the past. HMD Global claims it covers 96% of the NTSC color gamut and can hit a peak brightness of 500 nits. Seems like an excellent panel. Anyway, we have the Nokia branding on the bottom chin. Now other placements include the headphone jack and secondary noise cancelling mic up top, volume rockers and power button to the right. The Type-C port primary mic and speaker reside at the bottom. To the left, we find a tray. This is a hybrid tray, so you could go with either two SIMs or a SIM and a micro SD card. Now with the design out of the way, let's talk software. If and when the X7 launches internationally, like I said, as maybe the 7.1 Plus or 8.1, you can expect it to be part of the Android One program and come with Android Pie out of the box. But here in China, this unit that I've got it from, it comes with Android 8.1 Oreo, a slightly tweaked version. And since this is the Chinese variant, like I said, it does not have Google Play services. Those need to be side-loaded. So I'm not really going to focus on software a lot. The main thing I like about the Chinese variant is that it includes gestures, which I have been hoping to see on the global variant. Hasn't happened yet, but with Android Pie, Google's got their own gestures, so that should come in handy. The camera app, it gets live bokeh, a dedicated pro mode, and as expected, support for 4K video. Now, if you were wondering what's powering all this, the answer is Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 710 chip. It's a 10nm chip, the first non-flagship chip to be built on the 10nm manufacturing process by Qualcomm. You also get either 4 or 6 gigs of RAM to go along with 64 or 128 gigs of storage. Backing all this up is a 3500 mAh battery. Now, given my experience with the Snapdragon 710 on both the Mi 8 SE and the Oppo R17 Pro, I expect the performance to be very good. In the limited amount of time that I've spent with the X7, Apps seemed to open up quick, the interface felt fluid and responsive, and overall performance seemed to be solid. But let's leave the final verdict for the full review, right? Now before we wrap, let's take a quick look at the cameras. To the back we have Zeiss Optics, a primary 12 megapixel IMX363 sensor with 1.4 micron sized pixels and a f1.8 lens, which is optically stabilized. Now the secondary sensor is a 13 megapixel depth sensor that helps with capturing portrait shots. There are also a couple of AI features thrown into the mix, and as we saw earlier, options like live bokeh make a return. The pictures, as you can see, seem to be exposed well, the dynamic range appears great, and there is an ample amount of detail here. We've seen the IMX363 in the past. It's an excellent sensor and it continues to impress here along with the Zeiss Optics. The selfie camera, it's a 20 megapixel affair, it's got a f2 lens, and it seemed quite good too. So what do you think about the cameras? I am impressed personally. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And with that, let's finally talk price. The Nokia X7 launched in China at a starting price of 1699 yuan, that converts to about 250 US dollars or 17,500 Indian rupees. But given the price of the 7.1 in India, I don't see it coming in anywhere around that. Maybe even at 22, 23 or something like that, it would still be great value. Given the seemingly excellent optics, that build, lightning quick Nokia updates, that's something HMD Global has been on point so far. Doesn't matter if it's a starter 9,000 rupee phone, doesn't matter if it's a 50,000 rupee flagship, they've been throwing out security patches, updates all on time. So that's a major pro for this phone. Anyway, I'm going to continue testing it out before coming out of the full review. So what do you think? Like I said at the start, would you like to see the X7 in India? If yes, at what price? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, and I almost forgot the giveaway. So it's the same as always. You know how it works. So go on over to the description below. You'll find a link to Gleam. Click on it and make sure that you are already subscribed to C4E Tech. This is again going to be an India only giveaway. And that's it. As always, there are going to be a few extra options that are totally optional, so you can use that to improve your chances and all that. So this giveaway is going to run for 3 weeks till this date. I don't know off the top of my head, so I'm just going to throw that up right here. And the following Monday, the winner will be announced via Twitter, a YouTube community post. If you don't have a Twitter account, you can check it out there. And if you missed both, you can always use the same link you used to enter to check out which was the winning entry. So that's it, guys. Good luck with the giveaway. Love the video, hated the video, like giveaways, don't like giveaways, give this video a thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you feel. If you have friends or family who like Nokia phones, share this video with them. And I guess that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Oh yeah, subscribe, turn on notifications, click that bell icon, yada yada yada, you know what to do. Till next time, my name's Ash, you've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.